So I just had a video that bombed like big time. Like I usually get at least, a dozen views within a couple days or so, but this video literally had like 4 views. And I'm just like, what happened? I'm praying to the YouTube gods, right? This is a very common experience, especially if your channel is small, that you can't seem to pick up any steam. And then even when you get a couple of videos that might have popped for a little bit, your next videos just aren't always guaranteed that same kind of traction. So what do you do when you release a video and it gets like no views? Do you give up on your channel? Do you find something else to do with your life? Well, maybe. But if you're committed to doing YouTube and you really want to see this thing succeed, you just gotta get back up again and make the next video. After my last video failed big time, I spent a lot of time thinking about, what do I want to post next on this channel? Do I need to post about something that's proven to work? Maybe. Do I need to think of some really great idea that's just going to soar big time? That's not a bad idea. But no matter which course of action you take, the most important thing is just to make another video. Like I keep on saying on this channel, consistency on YouTube matters. It's not that you're pleasing some YouTube algorithm, and it's definitely not about appeasing the YouTube gods because they're not out there. It's about proving to yourself that you're committed to the process. YouTube is a grind. It's a process. It takes a lot of time. Some people are the exceptions and they post 1 or 2 videos and then their channel goes viral. But that is a small minority. There's millions of channels. Most channels take time to build over time. It takes getting up after that failed video and say, I'm going to keep on doing this. I'm going to post another video. I'm not going to worry so much about one video not doing so well. I'm going to dust off the ashes, think of a new idea, make a new video, and commit to the process. Listen, don't listen to me. I'm just a nobody, just an average guy. But I'm committed to seeing this channel succeed, and I know that the only way that's going to happen is if I get back up and keep on posting videos. I've done it before. I have 3 other channels monetized, and I know it's possible, and I'm committed to seeing it happen here too. Hey, if I could do it, you could do it too. I'm just an average guy.